everyone, this is Rose and welcome to my random channel. Yes, my Christmas tree is still up. This is gonna be another one of my double mystery Sephora Play unboxing videos. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, which you should be, you may not know what I'm talking about. What I basically do is I reach into my monthly subscription box stockpile, which consists of boxes from 4 to 5 years ago with some of the companies out there, and I grab two, unbox them. I have no idea what year or month they're from, but I basically compare the boxes. You might get a peek into like what the older boxes were like and actually see if the program has actually improved. And then I actually break down the sample value so that you'll know whether or not these boxes are worth it, and then how the two boxes compare. Sephora Play is one of the more affordable monthly box subscriptions. They're $10 plus tax. I think they're the only one that actually charges tax in comparison to Ipsy and This is what the inside looks like, and they use these really cute little drawstring bags. September 2017. And the nice thing about Sephora Play is that you always get these cards, which obviously you can see that I forgot to redeem this one, where you take this to your local Sephora by the end of the following month, and you actually have to purchase something that's full size, and you'll get 50 bonus Beauty Insider points, which is pretty cool. Each box contains this pamphlet, which talks about the theme for the month, which Fall into Beauty was this month's theme. And then it actually breaks down all your individual products. So the Benefit Cosmetics product. This is their Gimme Brow. The Volumizing Fiber Gel in Deep. And on the profile, you actually do fill out like detailed descriptions about yourself. So everything I've gotten so far from Sephora Play has been pretty accurate to like my individual coloring. Oh, it's cute. It's like a miniature of the full-size product. Volumizing water-resistant fiber gel mimics the look of real hair to create thick, lush-looking brows. Next thing I actually have purchased, but I have yet to use. It's by the Sephora collection. And it's a cute little eyeliner, which you can see right there. It's 0.48 grams, 0.017 ounces. But this is a Sephora collection contour eye pencil, 12-hour wear, waterproof, and black lace. It's a really long name. Creamy, easy to apply pencil with a long-lasting waterproof formula that glides on smoothly. I have never used Alginus before. I think this is a higher-end skincare line. Power Recharging Night Press Serum. Highly concentrated solid serum melts into skin to smooth and visually refine dull, uneven complexions. This is 0.23 US fluid ounces, 7 milliliters. Next thing, really exciting, it's by Urban Decay, and it's one of the Vice liquid lipsticks. Mine is in the color Amulet. Waterproof, intensely pigmented liquid lipstick in a satin matte brick rose shade. And then we got a Belief product. Never tried anything by Belief before. Belief, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. This is 10 milliliters, 0.33 fluid ounces. Refreshing gel cream formula drenches skin in a burst of cooling light as a feather moisture. And the last two things are, I will admit, the dreaded foil packets. IGK Hot Girls shampoo and conditioner. Both foils are 7 milliliters, 0.23 fluid ounces. Perfect for heat tool addicts and damaged and colored hair. This shampoo and conditioner combo takes stressed out strands to touchably soft and silky. And so the value of the September 2017 Sephora Play box is, so not a bad box. A couple skincare products, eyeliner, brow product, and lip product. And then those hair foil packets, which are Let me move on to this box, which I have no idea what month this is. All right, and this is December. Oh wow, winner, best beauty subscription box. I'm actually not surprised because Sephora Play seems to never disappoint. But I'm gonna take this card out because I'm definitely gonna redeem this by the end of this month. And then I believe This side of the pamphlet has interesting facts. Wow, 53,000 Instagram photos shared. Of course, 600 points you could earn from your play passes, which I'm a little too embarrassed to say how many times I actually remember to use them. Oh wow, this actually has the statistics. California is the state with the most members. After that, Texas. And then after that, Florida and New York. Oh wow, that's interesting. Yeah, look at that. This map actually breaks down where play members are. Which in my state, it's 10 to 20,000, that's it. Okay, well, now I'm going to show you the other side that talks about products. And then this was this month's bag, which I really do love all these bags. I mean, they're very simple, but definitely reusable. Something I can't help but notice was that September actually did not have a fragrance. Normally each bag has a perfume sample. It's interesting. Okay, this first thing is the Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color in Au Naturel. This is 1 gram, 0.03 ounces. And this is how it looks. And it's basically a nude shade. A long-lasting creamy eyeshadow stick and a matte nude shade that delivers a subtle sweep of color. So an eye product, which is awesome. Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Cream Lipstick in Fuchsia Pink. 1.4 grams, 0.04 ounces. Comes in this adorable box. And then here is the actual lipstick. So here we got an eye product and a lip product. And then we got another eye product. This is so cute. This is basically a miniature version of the actual full size. And that is a beautiful color right there. An ultra creamy high pigment lipstick formula for a classic bold lip look that lasts. Next thing is something I kind of don't have a need for since I never use dry shampoo for my very dry ethnic hair. But this is the Dry Bar Triple Sec 3-in-1. This is 10 grams, 0.35 ounces. This airy spray revives lifeless strands, adds volume and body to your style, and extends your blowout. Now I can't help but wonder if this is full size because it looks like it is. Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen in black. This is 0.01 ounces, 0.34 grams. It's not a long-lasting, easy-to-use liquid eyeliner with a precise tip to create smooth, jet black lines. Next thing I'm happy to see because I was out of eye cream until I got another sample from another box recently, but I know that will be out soon, so this will come in handy. First Caudalie product, the Vine Active Energizing and Smoothing Eye Cream. This is 5 milliliters, 0.16 fluid ounces, and that's how that looks. A depuffing eye cream that reduces the look of wrinkles and brightens dark circles. And the last thing is a fragrance sample. Stella McCartney, Stella Eau de Parfum, Striker Rose, that's what the little slogan is. This is 1.5 milliliters, 0.05 fluid ounces. Wow, that's a very sexually charged photo. And that's a pretty nice looking bottle there. And then here it is right here. A feminine floral fragrance with a heart of pure English rose, complemented by notes of amber. So I'm actually gonna smell this. It actually doesn't smell not too bad. I hate to say I love the scent of rose, but it does make me kind of think of old lady. The amber in this gives us like a youthful, more sexy vibe, so. All right, so the value of this December 2017 Sephora Play box is, I'll remind you what the September value was, and that of course was excluding the Urban Decay product. Am I still a member? Of course I am. So this is gonna be it for my double mystery Sephora Play unboxing. I think this might be the 3rd or 4th one that I've done on my channel. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. And yeah, again, this is Rose, and thank you so much for watching this crap. If you found this at all helpful or entertaining, then please give this a thumbs up and subscribe. Become part of my random family. And don't forget to click that bell for notifications. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day. And you'll see me again hopefully very soon. Bye.